my dictionary. Oh yeah. Nouns and verbs and adjectives. Looking up words in my dictionary. Oh yeah. And learning definitions too. Let's explore. Open the book. Words that start with the letters A and B. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Words and letters. Tap on the page for letter sound activities. Above. In above. A says above. Next, find R. Artist. Artist. In artist. A-R says R. Artist. That's it. Next, find alligator. Alligator. In alligator. The first A says alligator. Good job. Next, find a heavy object that holds a boat or ship in place. Anchor. Great work. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Baker. Next, find something that covers your feet and part of your legs. Boots. Well done. Next, find something that is a road or path built to cross over something. Bridge. Wonderful word finding. Next, find something made by weaving things together, like grass or yarn. Not quite. Find something made by weaving things together, like grass or yarn. Basket. You got it. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Game time. Tap on the page to play a word game. Words that start with the letters C. Calendar. Next, find something that has teeth and is used to smooth and arrange hair. Comb. Correct. Next, find the part of the face below the eyes. Not quite. Find the part of the face below the eyes. Cheeks. You got it. Next, find the word that means feeling peaceful and not upset. Calm. Well done. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Dancer. Next, find something that raises and lowers people or things to different floors or levels. Elevator. Wonderful word finding. Next, find a moving stairway that goes up and down from floor to floor. Escalator. That's it. Next, find the word that means to loosen and scoop up something. Dig. Great work. Explore the words. Tap on the page to explore words. A. Above. Above means higher than. B. Baker. A baker makes things like cookies, cakes, and bread. Words that start with the letters C, D, and E. C. Calendar. A calendar is a chart that shows the days, weeks, and months of a year. D. Dancer. A dancer is someone who dances. E. Earth. Earth is the planet we live on. Words that start with the letters F, G, H, I, and J. F. Fan. A fan moves air around to make you feel cooler. Frog. A frog is an animal with smooth skin that hops. G. Gate. A gate is an opening in a wall or fence. H. Hammer. A hammer is a tool used for pounding nails. I. Ice. Ice is frozen water. J. Jam. Jam is a sweet food made from fruit and sugar. Words that start with the letters K, L, M, and N. K. Kangaroo. A kangaroo has strong legs and a long tail and carries its baby in a pouch. L. Ladder. A ladder is a set of steps you can climb to reach something that is up high. Lamb. A lamb is a young sheep. M. Magnet. A magnet is a piece of iron or steel that can attract iron. Mirror. A mirror is a piece of glass that shows your reflection. N. Napkin. A napkin is a cloth or paper used to wipe the lips or fingers. Nest. A nest is a place where eggs are laid and hatched. Words that start with the letters O, P, Q, and R. O. Ocean. The ocean is the body of salt water that covers most of the earth. Owl. An owl is a bird with large eyes and strong claws that is active at night. P. Paw. A paw is the foot of an animal that has claws and pads. Puzzle. A puzzle is a toy or game you put together to see a bigger picture. Q. Queen. A queen is a woman who rules a kingdom. R. Race. A race is when people run against each other to get somewhere first. Rocket. A rocket is a tube that flies in the air or into space. Words that start with the letters S, T, and U. S. Sandwich. A sandwich is made with filling between two pieces of bread. Ship. A ship travels on water and is larger than a boat. Sun. The sun is a star that Earth and other planets revolve around. T. Table. A table is a piece of furniture that has a flat top and legs. Teeth. Teeth are bones in the mouth used for chewing and talking. U. Umbrella. An umbrella has fabric stretched over a frame to protect from rain or sun. Underwear. Underwear is worn under other clothing. Words that start with the letters V, W, X, Y, and Z. V. Vase. A vase is a container that can hold things like flowers. Veterinarian. A veterinarian is a doctor who helps animals. W. Wagon. A wagon is a four-wheeled vehicle that can be pulled. Watch. A watch tells time and can be worn on the wrist. Wheelchair. A wheelchair is a chair with wheels that helps people get around. Write. When you write, you form letters and words. X. X-ray. An X-ray is a way to photograph the insides of something. Xylophone. A xylophone is an instrument with bars that make sounds when they are hit. Y. Yak. A yak is a large animal with long hair that is like a buffalo. Yell. A yell is a loud shout or cheer. Yo-yo. A yo-yo is a toy that can move up and down on a string. Z. Zebra. A zebra is an animal like a horse with black and white stripes. 0. 0 is a number with no size or amount. Zoo. A zoo is a place where wild animals can be visited. Zoom. When you zoom, you move very quickly. My dictionary's full of words and all their meaning. Vocabulary, my dictionary's full of words, so sing along to my vocabulary.